Hello, today is another day. I wish everybody is happy because for me, I'm really, really happy today to be here. So, today I'll be bringing you guys to another section of cooking, and today I'll be making Ogbono soup, as you all know. So, for my Nigerian brothers and sisters who know what is Ogbono soup, this is me. First, this is my meat. I'm steaming it up so it will soften, and then I'll proceed to put the other ingredients in it. So stay tuned. Okay, this is my steamed meat, which has been cooked very well. I will bring my ogbono, which I dissolved in a lukewarm water, and then I'll put it to cake. It's a kind of slippery. So the ogbono has gone in. I'm just going to cover it, and in a few minutes time I stir it. I'm going to put my red oil, or palm oil. This is dry otazili, which I'm going to use because I ain't got any other leaf here. I'm just going to use the dry otazili. I won't put much. And then I'll stir. My ogbono is ogbonoing. Oh my god. This is it. It turned out to be a very nice, slippery soup. Thank you guys. I'm going to make my gari, or simply put my eba. I don't eat much. Wow. My Jebu gari. Then I'll stay. Ooh.